Watashi wa Michael Farley. I'm the Director of Group Operations for Harrow International, and it's my great honour to introduce Harrow Appi to you. Set in the mountains of Iwate Prefecture, Harrow Appi will be unique in Japan and in fact in Asia. A world-class education in a stunning Japanese setting. Surrounded by the great outdoors, high-achieving students will excel academically, emotionally and physically. Utilising Harrow's British International curriculum, teaching is highly effective, ensuring outstanding academic outcomes and students who will have the opportunity to access the world's best universities. A unique co-curricular programme will ensure students are engaged in sport, creative arts and serving their community. With our methods of close personal tutoring, alongside a commitment to educational excellence for life and leadership, students are provided with an outstanding, fully residential education. The safety of Appi Kogen and the healthy lifestyles that mountain living provides will ensure that all students will thrive in preparation for a successful adult life. Our purpose and heritage. Our purpose is to prepare students with diverse backgrounds and abilities for a life of learning, leadership, service and personal fulfilment, who rely on their strength of character, largely formed with our forward-looking Harrow education, to adapt to and excel in a rapidly changing world. Harrow School in the UK is one of the world's most respected private educational institutions. Founded in 1572 by Queen Elizabeth I, Harrow School has a well-deserved reputation for educational excellence, the house system and outstanding holistic education. Amongst the school's alumni, or as we call them, the Old Harrovians, OHs, are some of the most influential global figures, including Lord Byron, Winston Churchill and King Hussein of Jordan. Numerous influencers, innovators, artists and Nobel laureates attended the school. Drawing on this Harrovian DNA, Harrow International Schools have built an exceptional track record for success in university placement based on outstanding grades and individualised university counselling. Our alumni are studying at some of the world's best universities, of course in the UK, but also in Asia and in North America, or are employed in leading companies globally. Holistic education. A Harrow Appi education will be holistic. Our students become well-rounded, confident, active and engaged in the classroom and beyond. Our co-curricular programmes broaden the students' outlook, instilling a sense of adventure and fostering their leadership attributes. Embracing this holistic approach, each student's studies are supplemented by an extensive range of activities, clubs, sports academies, societies, events and service opportunities. In this way, our students develop the strength of character and amass the experiences needed to excel in a dynamically changing world. Our core curriculum. Study at Harrow Appi leads to A-level examinations at age 18. The A-level programmes allow students to select from a wide range of courses to specialise in subjects of their choice, with outstanding teaching and facilities including cutting-edge methodology, utilising contemporary digital technologies. With small class sizes and Appi's stunning mountain environment, our carefully selected and continuously trained teachers will enhance the curriculum in numerous ways. Our science students, for example, will have immediate access to the natural world. They can conduct experiments in the hills. They can observe natural phenomena firsthand, the habitats of living things, for instance, or astronomical studies whilst gazing in the clear winter night sky. Our creative arts students, inspired by the mountains and the dark forests, will produce extraordinary works of visual art, moody photography, or digital installation. The super-curriculum. To ensure our students are academically stretched to match their intellectual curiosity, the super-curriculum will provide activities that foster academic endeavour beyond the examination courses. Students will engage in super-curricular activities which inspire their curiosity. They'll solve difficult problems and will be challenged to apply their knowledge in new situations. Through these opportunities, the development of additional skills such as debating, teamwork, problem solving, critical thinking, and creative pursuits is assured. These skills have lifelong value, and good universities are always on the lookout for candidates who possess them. Super-curriculum activities and events at Harrow Appi will include, for example, debate club, coding challenges, the engineering society, and entrepreneurship or technological competitions. Language and culture. The language of instruction in Harrow Appi will, of course, be English, with all core subjects taught in English, and those students speaking English as an additional language being expertly supported. Additionally, the school will provide a large time allowance within the curriculum for Japanese and Chinese, supplemented by the super-curricular programme. IGCSE and A-level examinations can be sat in English, Japanese, and/or Chinese. Super-curricular programmes enable students to extend their cultural learning through the study of literature and various cultural activities. Our calendar of cultural events takes full advantage of the school's setting in rural Japan. Mochi pounding will be a great favourite of mine, as will the haiku competition. Co-curricular. Harrow Appi students will enjoy two distinct co-curricular, that's extracurricular seasons, the white and the green. The white season focuses on winter sports. A race academy will cater for elite skiers and snowboarders, and mountaineering will challenge the more adventurous. More than just for fun, our white season programme will be central to the holistic development of well-rounded students. There will be opportunities to ski as often as 4 times a week if the students wish. The green season will embrace the great outdoors, focused on golf, tennis, cycling, and of course, getting into the mountains. The golf and tennis academies will provide professional coaching, utilising outstanding facilities, including the immaculate 36-hole golf course, whilst the programmes for road cycling, for instance, climbing over Mount Hachimantai, and mountain biking, definitely in the forest trails and on the ski hill, will be wonderful. Additional to the Sports Academy programmes, students will have the opportunity to join a wide range of other activities. For instance, in innovation and digital technologies, music and other creative arts, and, of course, and very importantly, service to their community. For example, in an old people's home or other charitable work. The house system and close personal tutoring. The house system is central to the school's culture. The development of boarding house communities is characterised by strong bonds and support networks within each house. The housemaster or the housemistress and the tutors know each student in the house extremely well, allowing for what we call close personal tutoring. Therefore, if and when there is a problem, social or academic, your son or your daughter will swiftly receive well-judged and effective support to quickly get back on track, because our teachers deeply know every boy and every girl. Boarding is at the heart of Harrow Appi. Boarders benefit from being part of a community, from learning to live and learn alongside each other, and having world-class facilities on their doorsteps. Learning isn't confined to the traditional day school. Students might wake up early to join swim training or take photographs in the beautiful early morning daylight, or have some extra chemistry tuition from a teacher. After school, the opportunities for additional study, activities and academic enrichment run late into the evening. A high-profile speaker, perhaps a famous actor or a successful doctor, might offer an inspirational talk, virtually or face-to-face, starting, for example, at 8 p.m. The astronomy club might meet after evening prep homework sessions to study the clear night sky in the mountain air. The ski team might work on their technique on Appi's floodlit slopes. What most pupils remember from the boarding experience is the fun they have and the friendships they make. In boarding, students live with their friends, eat with them, laugh with them, and share the joys and challenges of school life together. These friendships last a lifetime. Not only do graduates keep in touch with their school friends, they use the alumni network for professional advantage throughout their life. Our world-class digital campus. Harrow Appi boasts state-of-the-art facilities. The campus is based on accumulated expertise across the Harrow family and incorporates the best of contemporary school design with access to technology, the creative arts, science, and the natural environment. The Innovation Hub, the Creative and Performing Arts Centre, the boarding houses, and of course the sports opportunities within the Appi Kogen area provide an outstanding range of facilities for our teachers to utilise with the students. Today's students were born into a digital world, and to engage these digital natives, Harrow Appi is a fully integrated digital campus. Teachers use technology as an integral part of the programme. High-speed Wi-Fi network will cover all areas. A robust and reliable digital educational ecosphere gives students and parents access to timetables, curriculum resources, homework assignments, and progress reports. Students can collaborate with fellow students in Harrow Appi and from across the Harrow family of schools, and teachers have access to support and guidance. Thank you. We hope you'll have the opportunity to come and discuss your child and Harrow Appi in a face-to-face meeting.